Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a product that converts and preparing a tight hook so viewers stop scrolling. Select one angle, pain, aspiration, or shock, and plan a 3-7-second open that shows the problem or instant reaction. Once done, capture 15-30-second clips in both 1:1 and 16:9 for platforms. Make sure to record the product in use, a close-up, and a short testimonial-style line. These are your core assets for editing and testing. Now you move into editing and precise messaging. You assemble the short script, lead with the hook, show the value within 10 seconds, then add a clear call to action. This structure guides attention and conversion. Layer B-roll and captions to reinforce points for sound-off viewers. Once the first cut exists, create 2 additional variants, emotional story, straight demo, and a UGC-style cut, to test which tone wins. Make sure pacing accelerates after the hook. Finish by running a structured test and planning scale. Launch 3 creative variants at small daily budgets so you collect meaningful data without overspend. Monitor key metrics: click-through, CPM, conversion rate, and pause underperformers quickly. Doubling spend only on consistent winners preserves ROAS. If performance falters, troubleshoot systematically. Change the hook, shorten to a 7 to 15-second cut, test different CTAs, or swap the thumbnail. Make sure to iterate fast. Small changes often yield big improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.